All right, investments that cost you $0. Look, I am fully aware that whenever we talk about investments, most people naturally, right, talk about money. They talk about currency and ways that you can actually flip your bread, right? So whether it's us mentioning the stock market, real estate, cryptocurrency, whatever. But majority of those things require what? Capital. But what about the people that are unemployed, right? What about the people that may not have a lot of money that they're actually able to invest in the stock market in those things? Well, I'm here to tell you, right, that there are certain things that you can invest in that do not require a single dollar. All right, let's get it. All right, so the first investment that costs $0, all right, is the actual platform that you're watching me on right now. And that's YouTube. There's a lot of people out here that would say that they graduated, quote unquote, from YouTube University. And that happens when you tend to watch a lot of YouTube videos that provide information and value towards your life. You know, I like to compare life when it comes to decision making, right? So let's take two examples. You can binge watch Netflix on your television for 5 hours and just watch something that won't help you at all. Or you can binge watch YouTube videos for 5 hours. That might actually help you, okay? So don't sleep on the idea of just literally sitting down and just watching YouTube videos, whether you have to take notes, okay, or go back and watch certain videos more than once. All right, YouTube is definitely a platform that will allow you to learn a lot of things quickly. All right, and again, it's free. It's not like college where you have to pay for certain education. All right, so please, 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 y'all, take advantage of YouTube. That's number one. All right, so the second investment that costs $0 is my personal favorite one, and that's podcasts, right? Now, the reason why I say that is because, as y'all know by now, I host a podcast called Define Your Legacy. But even deeper than that, podcasts provide people with other people's stories that they can actually relate to. It's audio only, but they still are valuable when it comes to just overall attaining information. Now, again, to provide you all with another example, the device that you use to listen to Apple Music is the same device that you can use to listen to podcasts. Whenever you're driving to work, you have options, you have decisions. You can listen to a podcast or you can listen to music. You can listen to a radio or you can listen to something that might actually help you. Now, again, I'm not here to tell you which one to choose, but the fact of the matter is podcasts are free. Podcasts allow you to learn things that you may not have ever learned before from actual people, okay? Now, there are podcasts out there that are hour long, 2 hour long, 10 minutes long. It doesn't matter. The fact of the matter is podcasts, majority of them, okay, are free and allow you to receive information, especially while you're driving, right? Podcasts aren't even just like, okay, you got to sit down and watch them. You could be in your car driving to work, to and from work, all right? So just really think about that. Think about your actual alternatives. Do you want to listen to a music album on your way to work, or do you want to listen to a podcast? Again, I'm not here to say which one is right or which one is wrong. I'm just understand that you definitely have those options. But yet again, I'm going to plug in Define Your Legacy. There you go. That's number two. All right, and last but not least, all right, another investment that costs $0, and I know y'all going to love this, all right, is social media. Look. All right, let me set up for this part, all right? Who you follow on social media speaks volumes on what it is that you really want to accomplish in this life. Now, again, I'm not here to tell anyone who to follow and who to unfollow, okay? But the reality is there are accounts out there that provide information, free information that can change your life. I get it. You feel me? Some people like to, follow toxic accounts and have fun. By all means, feel free. But again, there are accounts that will allow you and enable you, to put you in a different situation that could truly help you and benefit you. Now, again, I'm going to plug in Define Your Legacy on Instagram and everywhere go follow, okay? But when it comes to social media, I think, we tend to think of it as just a place where we just receive news. It can actually help you out in the long run. And again, it is free. So take advantage of the fact that you do have social media. A lot of people, when we talk about taking a social media cleanse, listen, that can be good and bad, because when you take a social media cleanse, sometimes you're also eliminating the possibility of learning something new because of social media. All right. So again, y'all keep that in mind. Who you follow on social media speaks volumes on what it is that you really want to accomplish. All right. So that's number three. So look, y'all, there you have it. We just went over 3 investments that cost you $0, not a dime. Okay. YouTube, podcasts, social media. 3 things that are absolutely free, all right? And the point of this video, man, was to put everything into perspective. I know a lot of people, for whatever reason, like to compare financial situations, and some people aren't able to afford certain types of investments. But YouTube, free, all right? Podcasts, free. Social media, free. But make sure, right, that you're consuming the right information. Don't just utilize these platforms and say, oh, they're free, so I'm going to listen to some garbage. Make sure you're feeding your body and your mind, all right? Some positive stuff when it comes to these 3 investments that, again, cost you $0. All right? We're going to see you on the next video. We out.